What's going on, my YouTubers? We have just finished the Fast Ripper Polished Leprechaun, I call it. And we did do a 12-speed conversion, which you don't need, guys. You don't need to spend that extra money to do this. It's simply for looks, because the 11th and 12th gear, which is way up here, you have to hit like a serious hill to even use that, which I never do. But I don't know, if you guys want to do it, you could do it. So we're going to start off with the parts to make that happen. The first thing you're going to need is the GX Eagle 12 speed long cage derailleur. That'll run you about 135. And then you can get the GX Eagle shifter to go with it. That'll run you 50 bucks. And then you're gonna need a cassette. I'll put the link in the description. It's like a SRAM cassette. It's made by Sunrace, but it's like the SRAM pattern to go onto your cassette. So I'll leave that in the description. Now, when I do a build, guys, I always start off with what color do I want to do, right? So the first thing I do to figure that part out is I go to Knight Bike Company and I use their colors because I can get their stem, I can get their seat clamp, and I can get their chainring or sprocket. They have several different colors to choose from, so I'll get one of those colors. Like, I'll pick one of those, and then that'll be my colorway for whatever I'm doing. So this time I chose their green setup. I got all three right away because you can't wait on this stuff, guys. The roughneck stuff, it sells out and it'll be gone for months, and you just got to grab it when you see it. So if you're planning on changing colors on your bike, grab that stuff quick. That's like the first thing I grab, so I have it. So once I grab those three pieces, I'll take one of the pieces to the powder coat and I'll match it up with the rims, and that's how you get your match. So once the rims are matched, you got your stem, your seat clamp, stem, chainring all matched up. Dude, you're halfway there. So that's how I got the color green this time. The V tires, you can get those from Live for Bikes on the internet, their website, or you can go on eBay and get those also. This is the 12-speed Sunrace cassette, 12-speed. This is the derailleur we were talking about, right there, long cage. And then we got the twisted spokes from the one and only Felix Bike Shop, and he's now doing 7 twists. He used to do like 5, 4, 6. Now he's doing a whole 7. Pretty cool. Next up, you got the Ride Out Supply keychain sitting there. We got the SE Raise It Up seat. Yes, it came that color. We got the Velo Orange seat post. I rock these on all my bikes, man. It just sits you back like a good inch. It makes a comfortable ride. We've got the Knight Bike Company seat clamp. They make good stuff, man. And then we got the Knight Bike Company chainring. This is the narrow for the Fast Ripper, and this is a 4-bolt. 1, 2, 3, 4. Be careful when you order, because they have a 5-bolt also. You got the stock cranks. We got the Shadow diamond cut pedals. And we got the Ride Out Supply sticker kit. I get all my sticker kits from Ride Out Supply, guys. You guys can get custom kits. You can make them say anything you want. It's up to you. They got a gang of colors, fast shipping, and yeah. You could change the whole look of your bike with just a sticker kit, man. So hit up Ride Out Supply. Get your sticker kit. We got the ODI grips. These are the rough man or whatever. Rough. Can't even read that. Rough something. Ruffian. ODIs. These are just from Amazon. You can get your grips from Amazon or any bike shop. They got, you know, red rings, blue rings, all different kind of colors. We're still running the stock Tektro brakes, hydros, and the shifter, SRAM shifter. These are the big honking handlebars. We've got the Roughneck Knight Bike Company stem. We've got landing gear forks. Now this bike did not come with these forks. The forks that came on here, I sold them, and the new forks, they don't have adapters for front brakes, so that's why I always run on my fast rippers. I run just the brake on the right, but you got to be careful when you run one disc brake. Okay, if you're going down big hills, guys, do not just sit on your brake going down the hill, because you'll smoke your brakes. They'll get too hot and you'll lose your brakes. You won't have no brakes. I wish they made adapters for these forks, but they don't, so I gotta run one brake. But yeah, be very, very careful running one disc brake. It's scary if you're hitting hills going down and you're just hanging on. What you want to do is you want to hit it, let go, let your disc cool off, and then hit it again, let go. Very touchy. Do not smoke your brakes. We got V tires up front with the white walls, same rims, same spokes. But yeah, this is the Fast Ripper, guys. I think I might just throw in the other Fast Ripper too, let you guys check that one out. But that's the Fast Ripper Leprechaun polished. This is my other Fast Ripper. We got the 12. Oh, I need to clean that. 12 speed. Another 12 speed. Has the same exact parts as the first Fast Ripper. Twisted spokes, black and silver. Race face chainring. Brooks seat. Yes, sir. This one has more SE parts than anything. No Knight Company parts on this one. But yeah, Fast Ripper gang. There it is.